Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. After a little short break, people who follow me on social media, they know that I was on vacation, but as soon as I came back, I thought to share an amazing breakfast recipe for you guys. Today I'm making Tater Tots Casserole. It has tater tots and they are easily available in frozen aisle, but if you live somewhere where they are not available, you can easily make them at home. It has sausages, eggs, cheese, and everything which you need for an amazing breakfast. It's a crowd pleaser. You can serve it for brunch or breakfast parties as well. So let's go and make it happen. So for this recipe, first I'm making sausages and then I'll put them on the side so they will cool down. Then I took a large mixing bowl. I cracked some egg in there. Just beat them lightly. Then I'm adding some milk, salt, and freshly crushed black pepper. Then mix them well until they are fully combined. Then put them on the side. And up till now, our sausages are cooled down. So I cut them into half-inch thick pieces. And then I transfer all those sausages pieces into my egg mixture. Add half of shredded cheddar cheese, which I'm using for this recipe. Mix well, and then I transfer it into 13 by 9 inch glass dish, which is greased. And then transfer all my egg mixture in there. Now it's time to add our tater tots. I'm using these tater tots, and now you have to arrange the layer of tater tots on top of it. This will make your dish presentable. Now I throw it into the oven, which is preheated on 350 degrees, and I bake it for 40 minutes. Then I took it out and I sprinkled my leftover shredded cheddar cheese, and then I bake it for another 5 minutes until cheese is completely melted. So here it is, my Tater Tots casserole. As you have seen, it's pretty easy and simple to make, and for sure a crowd pleaser. Today I'm serving it with some cheesy scones. I already shared the recipe with you guys, and I will definitely link it down below for you. Tater tots are not cooked and placed frozen on top of it, which will make this dish crispy and golden from top, but the gooey and eggy cheese in the middle will make this dish more amazing. If you want to learn something else, please let me know and leave me a comment down below, and I will try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.